everyone, welcome to another video, and I'm so excited because this is Inktober and it's the first day. Today's prompt is fish. So I'm going to draw a picture of fish. So stay with me. I'm using this nicely sharpened Staedtler pencil and this kneaded eraser for the drawing. I have made a frame with a masking tape on this watercolor block, and this is my brand new palette. This is a sturdy one. These are the inks I'm going to use. These are Holbein acrylic inks. I absolutely love them. These are some of my brushes. I'm going to use some of them in this drawing. And this is my bowl of water. So let's begin. I'm going to use 4 fish here. Beautiful colorful fish. Just wait and see. I'm trying to draw it nice and light. Let me tell you one thing. This is my first Inktober following the prompts. This is very special. Okay, going back to the drawing. I absolutely love these Staedtler 2B pencils. These are great quality. I have been using them since I have taken drawing seriously. And I think if you are looking for a nice quality artist pencil, then you can definitely try them. I'm almost done here. Just adding some finishing touches. And we're done. Now let's jump into the inking. We're taking super opaque white ink and giving it a nice shake before pouring. Taking just a little bit here. We will see if it's really super opaque or not. Then this beautiful primary yellow, a little bit more than the opaque white. And this one is spiral orange. Again giving a nice shake. Here comes our naphtha red dip. Just a tiny bit. Dioxazine violet. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but that's not important. Okay, there's no way you can read this label because of this splatter of color, but I can tell you this is lamp black. These are the brushes I have picked and going to use only some of them. I still don't know which ones though. Now we are going to start inking, my favorite part. We're starting with spiral orange and now applying some primary yellow. We're going to work on all 4 fish at a time. Acrylic inks are a very different media, a whole new experience than normal acrylic paints or oil paints or watercolor, whatever. It gives a completely different feelings and I really love it. I've just erased some deep pencil marks. We're now applying spiral orange on top of the primary yellow and kind of blending these 2 colors together. And this is creating a nice grade of color. Something in between yellow and orange, something really warm and nice. Just use the naphtha red dip for the first time and creating some spots on the fish. Oh, by the way, I'm using a photo from the internet's copyright free images as a reference. I was looking for fish pictures and this one really caught my eyes. I immediately thought I should draw it for the Inktober first prompt, that is fish, and I'm doing it right now. One thing about acrylic inks is that they dry out so fast. Now, this can be a disadvantage or an advantage depending on your painting process. But once they are dried, they are waterproof and don't smudge if you brush them over with another color of ink. I think that is great. That is very useful. Another fun thing about acrylic inks is you can either work from light to dark or dark to light. This doesn't matter. You can go either way with them, which makes them so convenient to draw with. Right now I'm mixing a brown color with the black ink and some red and a little bit of orange. The tail is going to be so transparent yet so colorful. I love it. Doesn't it look like these fish are flying or dancing? Or is this just me? I think it's going to be one of the best and one of the most favorite artworks of mine. I'm definitely going to frame this one, and it's going to look so pretty. These fish have got tiny little pretty eyes, so cute. After I'm almost done with the fish part, I'm going to add a black background with the lamp black ink, and I know that is going to be the most difficult part and the most patience-taking, if that's a word. Okay, right now we are using the Cello Turquoise, and you didn't see me taking it to the palette because I forgot about it at first and then I added it later. I think I will be using these inks this whole Inktober, and I really hope that I will be able to continue through Inktober. This will be my first time. I mean, I have joined Inktober in the past, but not through the whole month. And I never followed the prompt list before. I think it's a great way to improve your artworks on a specific media. And by following the prompt list, you can get more creative. And it's a quite nice challenge for your artist brain to make some beautiful drawings according to or depending on just some words, which is really great. But you don't need to follow the prompt list at all if you are not interested or feel pressure. It is totally up to you. If you have watched my video till now, I'm really grateful to you and I appreciate it. If you like this drawing of mine, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Shruta's Universe for more artwork videos. And if you are drawing Inktober also, then please feel free to share with me in the comment section. As I always say, I will definitely love to see your beautiful artworks. And please don't get all stressed up because of Inktober or about following the list. Just relax and be yourself. Draw something, just anything, and post it anywhere. And if you continue even this way, you will definitely notice a great improvement by the end of the month. My best wishes for all of you. I hope you absolutely rock this Inktober. Please keep watching this video till the end, as I am going to add a black background and then going to finish the fish drawings with the remaining details. I wish you stay happy, stay safe and healthy, and keep drawing. And obviously, please stay connected to Shuta's universe.